Yeah, hello. My name is Achim Beukes from TTL Network GmbH in Germany. And this year we want to show the new HDBaseT cable. This is a Cat6A SFTP ultraflex cable. With this patch cable ensures excellent transmission quality for short and long transmission distance from 0.5 to 30 meters, even with high resolution 4K image quality. The patch cables allows fast and direct connection of the HDBaseT hardware. The RJ45 connectors are fitted with specially designed triple blade contacts. In combination with the rigid inner conductor of the cable, they ensure a reliable connection. The other mode of the connection ensures the firm strain relief and thus for a reduction of cable damage due to mechanical stress. The cable sheet material is flexible, UV and oil resistant, flame retardant, and makes the cable highly resistant to stress. These properties make it ideally suited for applications in industrial and outdoor environments. For more information, please visit our website ttl-network.de. Thank you.